Hello everyone. Today once again I welcome to my channel. I am asking you, are you trying to speak English? Are you practicing with yourself? Are you going in front of a mirror to practice English? If you do so, I give you thank. And if you do not do, I'm really sorry for that because I could not understand you that if you practice, it will help you to speak in English. And if you want to be a foreign speaker, try to listen foreign lecture, which will help you to pronounce some words like the foreigners and native speaker. And that will help you to go forward. English is really a very fun subject. Just try to make fun with some words. Go somewhere where you can feel very happy, and that place will help you to speak in English because you are happy. If you think that it is very difficult, you will not learn it. Just try to keep practice. Practice makes a man perfect. So from today, try to practice it in your day-to-day life, and you have to use some words with your relatives, with your fellow people. That will also enrich your vocabulary, and it will help you to be a foreign speaker, and you can be fluent in English speaking. Some are thinking that English is very difficult subject. I want to tell them this is not difficult subject. Take it easy and try to practice every day. If you have shame, remove all the negative things, negative ideas, and go forward. If someone tells about you some negative things, you should not hear that. Try to keep practice. It will help you to be a good speaker, because when you are going to learn something, there will be many hindrances in front of you, but you should not care that. Just practice it. It will take you to the future, and you will be recognized as a good person, as a good speaker of English. Thank you for today. If you want to be a good speaker in English, try to listen some lectures in English and try to practice with your own self, and it will help you. Thank you for all. If you want to get my next video, please subscribe my channel, because when I will post my next video, you will get in a short time. Thank you for all.